what's up? I'm Wilson. I'm the beginner scooter coach, and today we've been working on bunny hops with the group. I got a big group, so we've just been over there at the ramps working on some bunny hops.
What do you love about Evolve Camps?
Evolve Camp?
Evolve Camps.
I love everything about it. Yeah, I love everything. It's so good. You can learn new tricks.
Yeah.
And there's lots of fun people, fun counselors. Everyone's really nice here.
Yeah?
And it's just a fun experience.
Yeah?
And everyone should try it.
What do you like about Evolve Camps?
Well, like, it's fun, and like, I like really love scootering, so, yeah.
What trick are you trying to learn today?
A lip on a ball.
Yeah? Awesome. High five. Yeah, high five.
What's going on, guys? I'm Cameron Crook, professional scooter rider, and I'm also an advanced scooter coach at Evolve, teaching kids many tricks when it comes to tailwinds or even just learning how to ride ramps.
Alright, well, I'm Jesse, the skate coach here at Evolve. We got rained out at Markham, so now we're here at Underpass. We got popsicles though, so it's fine.